Yo, what's good? Just a slow guy back with another video. It is a brand new day today. We're about to go ride through downtown Dallas. We are not far. Just letting the bike warm up or whatever. Cold start already started before I even started up. Silas has a cold start. Kinda let the bike warm up a little bit. I'll go, yeah. I'll go. Let's find some good music though before we get on this road, but we'll get to that later. I'm gonna find some good music and then we're gonna head out, baby. Let's go. Yo, we on the road, baby. We just left the place or whatever. Look at this scenery right here. This is actually really nice. Oh shit, hold up. It happens, man. It really does. It doesn't matter how long you've been riding. I don't actually know if I told y'all, I've only been riding like riding time, man. I only have like I don't think 2 months. I think really like a month and a half. And I've had the bike for almost a year. Next year, like March, it'll be a year. We're gonna turn. Yeah, dude, people talk about people like not being able to U-turn and stuff, but man, like it's actually really hard. Sometimes it just depends on how slow you're going and if you're on the throttle or not. But people be like, oh, you wobble in a U-turn, I know you don't know how to ride. Like, that's not even true. Oh, got in the wrong gear. Little toxic bike stuff, just sometimes, every once in a while. But we're just gonna go downtown and catch some nice scenery. Nothing too crazy. We're coming up a little straighty right here. Look, that's some nice scenery right there. That's what y'all wanted, baby. That's a nice little straightaway or whatever. There's a little baby Willie. Oh shit, baby, we got up there on that one. God damn. I freaking love this process though, of me showing y'all my wheelie process. That one hurt my nuts. God damn. I don't care. I'm gonna keep showing y'all the wheelie process and how I'm going with it. That's the reason why I want to blog, so I can make people feel comfortable like getting on a bike or getting one. Because they're like, oh, I don't know how to wheelie, I'm scared. And no one ever shows, like, they're always professional showing you. Like, I want you guys to go with the process of me wheeling and me practicing the wheelie and stuff. A little ASMR. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, man looks stiff. He looks stiff. That man looks stiff. Like he's going for an interview or something.
Huh?
Huh?
Don't go too too fast.
Nah, we're in downtown. I just hope my freaking like music, like my actual GoPro music, isn't playing like not my GoPro music, the what I have going through my ear and stuff. He went through. Alright, I might have to cut this out the video. Yeah, we like snapping necks with the R6, man. It's freaking beautiful. Like, and it's not even that loud. I think that's what I like about it. It's not that loud and it snaps necks. Literally just has a slip on. I don't know if you guys even heard like what a freaking R6 sounds like with just his regular exhaust, but it sounds good too. It pops by itself with the regular exhaust too, but when I bought this, it came with the Graves slip on, which is kind of cool. I gotta get a mic that allows me to oh, I got my freaking tints on and shit. I gotta get a mic that allows me to like breathe and stuff without me having to like feel like I'm freaking breathing all on the mic and stuff. Look at this, downtown Dallas. We're in the baddest, like, not really the great part. People don't really like consider this one like that great of part. Like, I guess that nicest part of Dallas. I say greatest part. Yeah, but the nice part of Dallas, downtown Dallas or whatever. I like every part of downtown Dallas. Like, I just love Dallas in general. It's just such a great city to me. The people in Dallas are nice too. You got like the real authentic Texans. Oh yeah, there goes some pops. But man, yeah, I freaking love Dallas. I love the scenery. Like, if y'all ever come to Dallas, that little area down there is super nice. Even on the inside, they got like a little downstairs area or whatever. That's beautiful. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're back at it again with the Aqua 4s. Normally I wear my black hats, but I don't have my black hats. So I gotta get the gear that looks comfortable, like the one that Fastlane D has. He has some really good gear that he sponsors or whatever. It like has gear or whatever inside, but it looks like regular clothes. I gotta get that gear. Then one of the things that sucks about the R6 though is that when I'm at lights like that for a long time and my R6 starts to heat up. It is pretty common though, because it's supposed to be air cooled too. Like, it's supposed to be air cooled plus the fans or whatever, but they're really not that great. Actually, first time I had my Z, I crashed like right there over there somewhere. I literally hit the freaking, I was like in a parking garage trying to spin and I crashed. I was trying to like do like a little drift or whatever and I crashed. And normally sometimes I was trying to go by here, they have some really nice ass cars over here, like super nice. So like last time I seen an R8, if I can find the video I'll show y'all, but if I do I'll put it in the video. But yeah, I saw an R8, it was beautiful. And then the guy drove off. I don't know, it's always beautiful like coming down downtown Dallas because they got some nice cars and shit. Like that's a nice car, whatever. The BMW is nice too. Most times they'll have some super cool stuff. And the scenery is just beautiful. Look at the scenery, like this is just middle of like downtown-ish. We're still like more on the east side or whatever, but it's still beautiful. It's got this Bronco. We're trying to get to the AT&T division so we can get some pictures and videos and shit and stuff. I don't know, I forget, YouTube is like family friendly now, so I don't know if they allow cussing and stuff. I have to like look into it, but I'm not even big, I'm not monetized or anything, so the things about riding in the city is you just have to be careful. Like you want to just make sure you're looking both ways, and you don't want to rush in the city because you rush or something, it costs you your life. Like see, like I know it's green and I could probably go around this guy and be like, ah, you know, forget it. But not doing that is a whole lot better than me just trying to get around him. Yeah, this is a like nicer part. I always come here, like I have my Z, like videos of Z, my Z being here and stuff. This is a nice part of downtown Dallas. I still haven't watched R6, and we got this little chip right here from when I fell. We're gonna get that replaced, and right here too. And on the slider's messed up, but for the most part, we gotta get new grips too, new mirrors. It's coming together, but I wanna show y'all the whole process of me rebuilding my bike. And then Solace is, this bike's freaking fantastic. He has the like cruise control too, which is kind of cool. But yeah. Oh shit. Well, we're gonna get some pictures and then we'll get out of here and go to another spot. Let's go. On a bike, you just gotta know where to maneuver to. Where you're gonna go, where your next move is gonna be. You always just gotta be looking. Might be in the left lane, might be in the right lane, might go back to the left lane. Look at that scenery over there, those nice old school cars. I'm telling you guys, normally at night though, it's at night that they have the nice cars. They'll have some really nice setup. It's like Hellcats, or sometimes they'll have McLarens, C7s, C8s. The Camaro looks nice. Oh, there goes some chops for y'all. That shit sounds good. Chop, chop. We was gonna see if we might be able to play with him for a little bit. I do know one more spot. I can't always remember how to get there. Oh yeah, there's some nice scenery right there. That's why I like Deep Ellum and stuff. Coming down Deep Ellum, because it has some nice scenery down here too. I always want to know what motorcyclists are listening to whenever they're freaking riding and stuff. I'll tell y'all, I'm listening to Lucky, I can't even lie. See, cars just kind of go where they want anyway, so you just have to abide by whatever they're doing. The main thing is to stay calm and collected. That way you don't mess up, make a mistake, a fatal mistake that can end your life. It's old school right here. Like this 18-wheeler that's behind me, it's like, you know, you see I have to get in the lane next to you, but you're just gonna keep riding really fast. It's just those things. Like, they don't really care about motorcyclists, so you just have to be careful and ride your own ride. That's why I'm looking back, constantly looking around, like making sure that I'm watching both ways, even though it's a green light. Like, you just never know. You got people that are parking up in a lane and stuff, but again, look, I have to get over to see if the 18-wheeler is gonna line me over, and I have no space pretty much to get over. So it's just stuff like that, little stuff. And that's why motorcyclists just pave their own way into like traffic, because they don't even give us the opportunity to find a spot. And it's like, yeah, I could hop right in front of him, because I know the GoPro doesn't show perspective that well, but man, if he slams on those brakes right there, he's just gonna hit the back of me. So what the fuck? We are here. It's a little nice spot. Show off the bike. I hate the fact that that little thing's right there, but this is a nice little spot. A little arena. American Airlines Center. I also had a video with the Z here, but this is beautiful. Yeah. So y'all can see a little bit. They have like bars and stuff. It's a great place to be, but that's the scenery of the bikes. It sucks that they're doing what's his face there, construction, but it's beautiful. But yeah, we're just gonna end the video off right here. It's just a little city ride, nothing crazy. Just a little calm video. I like trying to give y'all both perspectives. A little motorcycle, a calm video, nothing crazy. You know, just keep it cool, collect it sometimes. You don't have to go crazy all the time. People think you get a bike, you gotta go crazy all the time. You don't. But yeah, we're gonna end the video off right here, guys. Like and subscribe. Hey, let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. Or like road racing, casual driving, moto vlogging, or me just doing quiet ride-alongs, just straight flying down the highway and stuff, no talking. You just let me know, and then we'll get that accomplished for you guys. Let's go.